on, guys? SUDDOTH here. We're back again with another GTR video.
SUDDOTH 1 is here as well.
And we got some white corrosion going on a brand new car with no mileage.
So we contacted Nissan. They told us to take it to the dealership. They were going to look into it. I mean, it's not bad. Like, it's a little bit of just like a little bit of slightly corrosion. It's a brand new car.
Got these nice Nismo rims, and we just took off the OEM rim. As you can see, I mean, got the new ones here, but man, these look nice, you know, the stock ones, but we're gonna try to get rid of some of this corrosion here.
We're just gonna wipe down the bar itself. Try and get rid of any little bit of white.
Underneath here, the little
Like you
white.
see that little white stuff?
Yeah. So we're gonna try to clean that off.
Clean it off. Just wipe it. You know, obviously it's not a coated piece, and it's really salty and nasty out, but this car literally came like this with 38 miles on it.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to do some preventative maintenance now to not have to worry about it later. So
we're gonna go ahead and
we'll put these rims on, wipe it down a little bit. Obviously we're not trying to do stuff twice. So.
All right, check back in a little bit. Guys, we're back on the right front. So we just cleaned up a little bit up in here. Cleaned up these strut towers because those were starting to get a little bit of surface corrosion.
Just wipe down anything that we obviously wanted to make sure didn't get worse.
And we cleaned up the calipers so they are completely clean on both sides and fresh.
How you keep them from...
So we got the wheels off over here, cleaned up. We already got the left fronts on. Yeah, they're looking good. All right, but yeah, we're gonna go back and put these rims on. So we got the wheels loosened up here, the lug nuts. Now, as you can see, the way we parked, we didn't have too much room, but enough to jack it up in the air. So get this baby off the ground, just enough. And then once she's up off the ground, go ahead and get this wheel. I think she's off now.
Almost.
She's off. Yeah, she's off. So we'll go ahead and get that new wheel on here. The last wheel. And then we got all the Nismo. All right, guys, so we got the rear wheel off here. As you can see, a little bit of salt because of the roads, but
This is
what we were talking about, the little white corrosion up underneath here. That was there before the salt. And you can barely see like the salt here, but got a little bit of dirt on the caliper. This is where the wheel just came off, so we're gonna take a little bit of rust surface remover and kind of get that off as much as we can so it doesn't get worse. But yeah, I mean, brand new car, just got to clean her up and get the new rims on. So check back in on it, and you can see like all the dirt here. Get most of that dirt up. So, all right, guys. So we just cleaned up a little bit of that surface rust. Got these babies looking clean up in here now. So a lot better. Yep, there you go. Got the rim. All right, guys. Now that we've got this on, we got them all set up here. So we got the Nismo rims coming around.
Right from a real Nismo.
Off of a Nismo. Brand new. I mean R35. We got the R34 back there. But
You said R34.
I don't care. Fucking, I got an R34. Shut the fuck up. He's right. Now this baby is an R33. We got an R35. We got an R33. But GTR is how we roll. We got the R34. She back here. We're gonna probably plasti dip this black, just because it's chrome right now, and it just, I don't know, doesn't stand out because there's nothing else chrome on this car. We got the carbon hood and fenders, so. And then we got this one that we're putting back to a 33. This was the R334. And we're still currently getting some gaskets for this side. And then we got some stuff we want to do over here, but man, she's so beautiful. The Nismo rims.
Just makes it look so much better.
I know. Give it a backup. Oh yeah.
Because we all go to the same guy. Because it has a top mount. So to do the valve cover and all that other shit, you gotta take everything off. So I'm like, yeah, do the clutch, do all this shit. Other than that, it's fine.
Yeah, mine hasn't given me any problems yet.
Some states are retarded. So I really
Oh shit! There was 4 total earlier. That one came in later. Some white GTR.
Thank you guys for tuning in and watching today's video. I know it's a little bit of older content, but you know what? Got to get it uploaded sometime, and got some more stuff for you here soon, so stay tuned and subscribe if you like this video.